Hello everybody, this is problem number 14, and problem number 14 it's about to print on console screen the rectangle area. Alright, so let's see how we're gonna solve this problem according to the requirement of problem 14. First we have read numbers from procedure, and we have float A, float B. It's same procedure that we take in previous lessons. I just changed in the parameters instead num1, num2, area A, area B, and also by ref. A and B like present or stand for the area B and area A of the rectangle. Right, so let's open it, see what is inside it. Nothing, just the question that we displayed for the user through the console screen. Please enter rectangle width area, please enter rectangle length area. All right, area A and area B, for example. And after that we create another function, we call it calculate rectangle area. We take A and B, let's see what inside it. Nothing, just return A multiply B. To get the rectangle area, we take the first number and the second number that the user is going to insert, multiply them, and it gives us the result. And here in the end, the print result procedure, we have in its parameter area, and inside it just a normal string. The rectangle area is, we called area, and area value it will come from calculate rectangle area function. All right, so when we call here area, actually the result it will be from this function, calculate rectangle area. For example, if the user insert 10 and 20, so 10 multiplied 20 is 200, so 200 will be stored inside the area, and after that we print it on console screen. And here in the main function, it's normal like before. We define float data type and declare two variables A and B, and we call the procedure read numbers. We put in its parameter A and B because read numbers it has also parameters up, and after that calculate rectangle area. After you take the numbers of A and B, we calculate them. The result, we will print it with print result procedure. So let's do run to figure out together. Perfect. Compare display for me the first question. Please enter rectangle with area. Let's say 10. Please enter rectangle length area. Let's say 20. So 10 multiplied 20 is 200. The rectangle area is 200. That was the problem number 14. It was about to print on console screen the rectangle area. See you next problem in the next lesson. Ciao.